NPP National Vice President Yumnam Joy Kumar has emphasized the vital need for conducting special intensive revision (SIR) in Manipur. He was speaking on the sidelines of the annual general body meeting of NPP Manipur State Unit at Mayol, located at Iroisemba. Speaking further, Joy Kumar opined that ECI should conduct SIR of the electoral rolls in Manipur, where the issue of illegal immigrants has been a major concern, as is being done in Bihar. He further stated that NPP, Manipur State Unit, has also resolved to urge the ECI to conduct SIR in the state before the next General Assembly election and to take the matter to NPP National President and the party's National Committee. While lauding the Thadao Inpi Manipur and civil and valley-based CSOs for holding talks in line with the effort to bring peace and normalcy in the state, Joy Kumar termed the initiative as a crucial step towards resolving the ongoing crisis. The NPP National Vice President also encouraged the legislators' efforts to form a popular government in the state.
Lakadoriba assembly election yamna darkar hoyena khanba hojik makti Bihar da ye chathari bisai da India bloc ka BJP ke NDA group ka special intensive view revision of voter list adu tobugi matang che particularly Manipuri matang da high problem ni na khalaga madugi intensive revision ama tawse Manipuri da makta chu yam darkar hoyena koin feel toy karigino abada hojik thoi wathoksi amorom da haita gidi illegal migrants mayam ama lei haibigi ado moin su Manipur da tasle bagi tasmata natana koin singai bisi hogiba last election su moi su election da participate tawgibaduna maram moiga ka ga domi ka daba ka ro daba ka iba du mu thokibra hena khanme gi wa chu ne koina masagi detection of illegal immigrants aduga dual votership leiba aduga bogus voters leiba aduga leigiraba mayama kan voter list yawa aduga magi mayama problem leibigi aduga problem se koi strongly feel tawe aduna NPP na high base masi yam thuna next assembly election tawdingi mamang da koi darka oi haina feel tawe